If your TikTok account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Review TikTok's community guidelines. Before appealing, familiarize yourself with TikTok's community guidelines to understand why your account may have been restricted. This will help you frame your appeal appropriately. Step 2. Open the TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your device and log into your account if you can. If your account is completely restricted, you may need to use a different account to access the appeal process. Step 3. Navigate to the support section. Go to your profile and tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down to find the Report a Problem or Support option to start the appeal process. Step 4. Select the appropriate issue. Choose the option that best describes your issue, such as account and profile or account restricted. This will direct you to the relevant section for appealing the restriction. Step 5. Submit your appeal. Fill out the form with a clear explanation of why you believe the restriction is unwarranted. Be polite and concise, providing any necessary details that support your case. Submit the appeal and wait for a response from TikTok. Once you have submitted your appeal, be patient as TikTok reviews your case. Keep an eye on your email or notifications for any updates regarding your account status.